Hi guys, so in 5 minutes, I'll show you how to use AI to take over the customer service of your business website and answer all those repetitive questions that people come to you with if you have a live chat. See, it doesn't matter how much information you put on your website. You can have every detail about every product if you're running an e-commerce store, for example, but people will still come ask you questions, and it usually comes in form of live chat. So they put in their name and email to start chatting, and then someone at the other end will have to deal with all those inquiries. This usually costs money and time. So how about we use AI to answer those? For this, we're going to come over to this website, app.fastbots.ai, and create a new account. Once you're done with that, you can choose the free tier, and this usually allows for one chatbot per time. Come over here to create your new chatbot. For our purpose, we're going to name this shopper. Once you're done with that, turn this on so that other people get to use it. You have to make it public. Voila, we're here. So there are lots of options to get our data from. And for this, we're going to be using a whole website. You can also choose stuff like PDFs, Word documents, or Excel sheets. So here we're going to use AliExpress for this. And you can just copy the whole URL for AliExpress and drop it over here. And click on the Start button. It scraped out the publicly available pages from the website. So there are some pages that can't be publicly scraped like this. Maybe stuff like direct order cancellation and things like that. This chatbot won't have access to that because that is private to the company. Okay, so once we're done with this, we're gonna save it over here. And the title, you just name this customer support. And the placeholder, hi, how can I help you today? I think that's fine. Show this welcome message pop up, and this is the time for response, the delay. And you can actually leave in a suggestion, right? Say something like recommend me products, like there you can leave placeholders if you want to. This is also a placeholder for the inquiry. You can change this if you want to, but just leave it at that. Okay, so there are other premium options. Say you want to hide your branding and you want to put in your own custom branding. The rest of this you can change if you want to, but just leave it at that for now. So the important part here is to train the model's behavior. So you go over to Tune AI, and for this we're using GPT 3.5 right now, but I prefer Claude because it hallucinates less and it tends to give more accurate results. And the AI creativity tab over here, it's just simply how creative the AI is, and mind you, the more creative it is, the more it gets to hallucinate. But since we're going to be relating directly with customers, we just slide this up a bit, and now I'm going to tell it how it should act. This is just to keep things in check. You can go on and give better prompts. I'm just using this as an example, right? Like you can set specific behaviors for how it's supposed to act. So I'm going back to the overview where we're from. Okay, so I need to cancel my order. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, this is a chatbot. This is an AI bot rather, and it's not to be mistaken with maybe an AI agent, because an agent would directly help you to cancel those orders. And another reason this isn't working directly is because this isn't my website, and AliExpress wouldn't give direct permission for, say, a third-party app to be canceling orders, right? But if you have a website and that is something you would want to use, or that is something you'd like to do, you can do that directly with Shopify, because they give you access to your own store and you can just integrate that. So when a customer wants to do something, the agent could just do that directly for them. But for now, this is what we'll work with. So it's given all the details and steps you need to know. And you can thanks. Can you suggest how I can get headphones under $20? Okay, it's giving me all those tips. I think it's just my question. I could have just asked it straight up for headphones under $20. So there you have it. This is a basic way you can create something like this for your store, for your web store. Then if you want to deploy to your website, right, we can go over to embed here. Okay, and then we can go over to the embed part of this. So basically you can copy this link and embed it within your website, or you can use this as an iframe. For those who know what it is, it's basically a small window that you can create, maybe using JavaScript or something. Now there are better ways and other platforms we can use to give us better results and much more customizable results. Say you could use platforms like Stapia and Stack AI. And also Bubble can also create this if you want to create something similar for your e-commerce store. So till next time, bye.